So you watched Demon Slayer recently and became a fan of Muichiro, the Wind Hashira, and you are a beginner artist. Now you want to draw him and add him to your personal collection. But sadly, you don't know how to draw Muichiro. If I am correct, then you, my friend, came to the correct video. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Muichiro easily. So with a small intro, let's dive into the video.
I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this ocean, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. The water rises. Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching in. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching in. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching. Water is rising. It's coming in. The water is rising over me. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching. It's coming in. I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this ocean, don't die.